Hello everyone, welcome to another holiday video, and today I'm going to be showing you this rijo42 selector vending machine that you see right here. So I'm actually going to get a hot chocolate for this one, and the drip tray is right there. So that's where I'm going to put my my cup. You have your plug right there. Let me just turn it off and turn it back on for you, so you just see what it says for you.
Is this whole room a farm? Where's all the animals?
Let me show you what it says in here.
Where's all the animals there?
I don't know.
It's a farm built into a farm.
So it's switching on. Right, the machine's ready. So I'm going to put this cup under there. Right there. I've got my my £1.50 because it says all drinks £1.50. I'm going to get a hot chocolate for this one. You can see £1.50 that one. So that's what I'm going to put in now. Go press hot chocolate and let's see what happens. Alright, let's see how it's come out. Ooh, that actually looks good, that, I would say. Look at that. So yeah, that's it. That's how to operate a rijo42 selector coffee machine. Please thumb up if you find it helpful, and consider subscribing as well. I really do appreciate that. And until next time, see you again very soon. Bye for now.